The Chief Judicial Magistrate Court, Imphal West, has granted bail to Laishram Bijoy Singh of Kwakaitel Laishram Lekai, Imphal West, who was arrested in connection with abetment of suicide case involving the death of his wife. Bijoy Singh, who had been in judicial custody at Sajua jail, was released yesterday after the court's decision. The husband was charged under Section 180 of the BNS 2023, a non-bailable and cognizable offence, which carries a penalty of up to 10 years of imprisonment and a fine if convicted. The case was filed after the deceased wife's father lodged a police complaint, leading to registration of an FIR and Bijoy Singh's subsequent arrest. During the bail hearing, Advocate N. Bhupender Singh Maitai represented the accused, while the state of Manipur was represented by an assistant public prosecutor APP. After hearing both sides, the court granted bail to the accused upon execution of a bail bond of ₹1 lakh with a surety of the same amount. Following court's order, Bijoy Singh was released from Sajua jail on October 10, 2024, while the legal proceedings in the case are ongoing.